One of the most common ways of treating individual trees in a stand like this and woods like this, particularly trees that are larger in diameter, is with the method we call hack and squirt. And we're gonna take this hatchet and place some slits in the tree. We're gonna spray some herbicide in those slits. There are chemicals that are specifically, and herbicides that are specifically labeled for this use, and the forester can help you with determining which those are. And in those labels, it will specify how many slits need to be placed in a tree. It's based on the diameter of the tree, and every chemical is a little different. And so you go to the label and it'll tell you for the diameter of the tree, for example, if it's a 2-inch diameter tree, it needs 2 slits on it, that kind of thing. And so you can get that information from the label, and the forester can help. That's a pretty simple treatment. It involves taking a hatchet and cutting through the bark into the outer wood. And it's, for small trees, that's very easy to do. And once that hatchet's in there and you make that slit, you simply squirt and spray that chemical on top of the hatchet, goes down into the slit, just like I've done here, okay? And you work your way around the tree, okay? So I'll come over here, and this particular tree needs, of this chemical that I'm using, needs 3 of these slits. I'm gonna put another slit there, squirt it like that, it goes in the slit. You always have some that will come out of the slit, that's not necessarily unusual. And we'll put a third one right around here, like this. Now what we've done is we've placed that chemical directly inside the tree. It's going to be taken up by the tissue in that tree, move down in the roots and kill the root system out, and then of course kill the entire tree. You can use any hatchet you want for this particular purpose. There are ways that you can modify a hatchet like what I've got here. So it's got a smaller blade. We ground it down so the blade is about 1 inch, 1.5 inches wide, and use it for this type of application as well. And what that does is help keep more of the chemical in the slit when you do it. So you can get very specific in this kind of technique and use this kind of modified hatchet to help you out. The squirt bottle that I'm using is just one that's pulled off the shelf. You can purchase a number of them. It's not chemically resistant. It's nothing special, very cheap hardware store type or big box store type sprayer. And chemicals mixed, of course, and then put into this sprayer. The label, when you read the label chemical, will say that you're supposed to put so much chemical in each slit, and every sprayer is a little different, and it's good to check that. You can take a small measuring cup or something like that from the kitchen, put water in your sprayer, and you can test to see if you're getting enough solution sprayed from your sprayer. But so you can, the nice thing about this treatment is it simply takes a common ordinary squirt bottle and a hatchet. And so these are certainly available anywhere. And so it's cheap equipment, a simple way to apply herbicide, very cost efficient as well.